Hello everybody, today is Friday, March 8th. It's 3:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, about a half hour before the regular session close. You can see my computer clock on the right and today's time currently, and on my left is the time in sales for the Emini S&P, currently trading at 3:27 p.m. at 27.37. Pretty solid day for the Autotrader today. First up is the crude oil on a Heikin-Ashi tick chart. We're looking at 6 trades here, and we have 2 small losers, one here and then one here, and then 4 winners catching these swings very nicely. And this hit our goal of 1500 and had 2 ticks of slippage with our market order at the close. Okay, next up is the DAX on a 150 tick chart, and this hit our goal, I believe, of 1550. So we had 1 tick of positive slippage. What's nice about this DAX 150 tick chart is I think it doesn't trade that much. Very often when we've seen it hit its goal, it's usually in a couple of trades as shown here. So that's pretty good. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the DAX on a 150 tick Heikin-Ashi chart, and our goal on this one is 2500, I'm pretty sure. And this was moderately active today, and we didn't really have too much of a drawdown on this right here, about $400, but there was a number of trades. We hit an equity high of 1500 earlier in the session, and then we came up to our goal of the day after the US Open. So all in all, still pretty solid, hitting our goal of 2500. You can see our daily goal here, 2550, a loss limit of 1500. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super Renko 14 tick, and this is the one with the $2,000 goal. And on this we came just shy of our $2,000 goal with a 1500 loss limit. And you can see the trades here. The losers definitely smaller than the winners for the most part. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 610 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, and this did really well today. This did 1320 for the day. Our goal on this is 1400, so we probably had a couple of ticks slippage at the end. See the equity curve here? We didn't take any heat. Just one. Well, there was a losing trade here, really just a couple of ticks, and then this one, but really nice swings. Notice the indicator signals, giving some really great signals here. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the crude on a Super Renko 7 tick, and one small loser here at the beginning only drew down, well, about $400, and then came back with 3 solid winners in a row with really excellent trade placement, doing 1460. Our goal on this, I'm pretty sure, is 1500, and indeed it is. And so we hit our goal on this, trading 2 contracts. Okay, so crude oil again on a 987 tick chart. Some very nice looking trades here. And this hit its goal of 1000. We drew down here about 275, trading 2 contracts. Okay, the CL on a Super Renko 6 tick using our line break logic, and this was fairly active today, and it had an equity high of $2,100, so I think I have too high of a profit target on this. In fact, I don't have one. Anyway, you can see the equity high here of about 2100 on the equity graph, and that occurred just a couple of hours into trading. And then, of course, we kept trading as we had no daily goal, which should be really, on this size chart, it should be much less than 2,000. So we gave quite a bit back and ended up with 860 for the day. Okay, next up is the bonds on a Super Renko 2 tick, and this has been a very consistent chart for us. This is using our line break logic. We had 2 trades back to back and hit our goal on this, which is 1200. So really solid performance, trading only 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the Emini S&P on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, and this had basically 1.5 losers and 4 winners, as you can see here, and this did 975. This one has a $1,000 goal, I'm pretty sure. Indeed, 1,000. And so this hit its goal. This is trading 2 contracts. Okay, the crude oil on a 377 tick line break chart, and this had 1 loser here at the open, and our drawdown on this one was looks like just a couple of $100, about $200, and then followed by 4 back-to-back winning trades in a row, catching these swings. Really excellent. 990 for the day, so we're just shy of our goal, 1 tick shy of the goal, which was probably a tick slippage. Okay, the Emini S&P on a Super Renko 4 tick with our higher time frame filter, or in this case other time frame filter, Super Renko 2 tick. We've seen this chart quite a bit. This one hit its goal and had 1 tick of slippage with our market order. Some really nice trades here. Okay, the crude oil on a regular Renko 6 tick chart with a Super Renko 6 tick is our higher time frame. This hit our goal of 750 only. That's 375 a contract, trading 2 contracts. And that's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or send me an email. Thanks for watching today.